If you guys could turn for the challenge, yeah, because we need to see everything that happens.
Spectators, how do you feel about this challenge? Who do you think's gonna win?
Right. Pretty excited.
Jake.
Yeah. No
All right, I'm going with you.
Hold on. Did anyone catch that magnificent ice castle?
Sorry about
Ice castle? What are you speaking of? All right. Okay, can I get this angle? I like this angle right here.
Up, down.
Yes. Charlie, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good, except for the fact that there's a metal shark. May or may not cut my lip.
Be a man. Take the metal sharp.
Okay. All right, guys. Jake, I'm contemplating whether or not to DQ you right now.
Why?
For jumping out after your beer.
That's true. Jake is down 1/4 of his head.
All right.
I can't open my hand.
You're really not helping this. Oh, you're doing it too.
Oh yeah.
Anyway.
Boy time.
The timer, the pace car.
John on the
The face card.
All right.
Wait. Cheers.
Yeah. How are we doing this?
That's so nice.
One,
boys.
2, 3.
Well, you guys don't make that easy.
Wow, Mike just did that. Charlie puked. Okay.
Are you so proud?
Yeah, I know, right?
I win.
A new wedding game.
Charlie, how are you feeling?
I feel great.
Okay, good.